lovers. I must say,
Excuse me.
Ready?
Okay.
You called Dubai.
Wow.
A Mazia production.
Okay.
You started production 5 years, any December way. Okay. Yeah, Mazia at 5.
Yeah.
And 1 year gusu. Na and say yeah appreciating Nipa Binti. Yeah, Nipa Baby started 5 years back this time. And now no Nipa Nibi I committed. Nyani nyina na wa ha na mu omo ye royal and ye juma send a tibia situation bia mo no ye ebe to send ne ya ye da so ne omo ye juma since 5 years and na management I say ye pese I appreciate omo ye crew ne ne ade na omo da so ho ye appreciate omo enti no executive producer ye na dwen say Obama ye de woma ko Dubai tour omo nko didi na womo na womo nchini Dubai womo mra keke omo nko ye hwe and one person be ha 5-star hotel and a yachi auda enye enkwala hotel because yen kwaye market cycle hotel we are Dubai send omo ko didi no ye me so omo feel no omo hu say sebi ujun so bu fa ko a Etrebo and the real sense no unya abotre kunzomwa unya betedi then you from a pack
the 10 years deal no yes
in Jesus name
How long?
you did 10 days 10 good days you go futu Dubai. Nipa ye koye 13 from Nigeria 13
When I was sponsor
yen na sponsor Nigeria
Why not? Why not?
I appreciation I ma wo mo e che say be obi ya ade a e fa I was so appreciate ejuma no enough from ye ne wo mu ginam ye ne wo mu namu papa mo boni mo kukuhwe ase e so many challenges and I yefem abesi 5 years but the challenges ni nyina mu no omo da so ene ye ejuma ye ho anye omo hi ye ho anye ahomete ni nyina mu no ye ko na ye kan asem na ye pata metu ye se me ha adwen na emom no sabi o pesremu ni abu no kwasea na wanti ase a onti asem ase enya asem adwuma ni yie ene ma me kasa enu nti na ye se menye na nsu no ni nyina ye se menye na de adwuma no movie industry no e de ye bedum pempenso a enu mom e be ye fe dan se me praise nipa na adwuma no e begu
Yeah.